Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maulidia Safitri. I am student at English Department, University of Naratulaton, Mataram. This video is a research method in linguistic, which I already take two articles that I'm gonna review with the theme language and sex. The first article is about euphemism, autopemism, and euphemisms in the translation of sexual language, author by Sulistani Dwi Putranti, Mr. Naban, and Sri Tarjana, Mr. Naban and Sri Tarjana. And the second is the usage of taboo words and euphemism among Malaysian students on social media. Comparative study, and the author by Ahmad Zaid Saidil Mursali and Waradatul Hayat. Okay, I'm going to review the first article first, which is euphemism, autopemism, and euphemisms in the translation of sexual language, which is authored by Sulistani Dwi Putranti, M.R. Naban, and Sri Tarjana. The article already have been cited 20 times since 2018 to 2024. The background and objective of the research is to analyze the translation of sexual language from the English novel Where There Is Smoke by Sandra Brown into Indonesian, and the focus is on how the translators use euphemisms, orthopemism, and euphemisms to avoid producing text that is too explicit or raunchy. And then we're going to do the literature review. The study reviews prior research on the usage of euphemism, orthopemisms, and euphemism in translating sexual language and taboo word. It discussed how the translators often employ euphemisms to soften, to censor the taboo language into the book. And the study was by Bozena Duda, Ping Wu, and Alicia Crespo Fernandez. A reference highlight the distinction between the three concepts and their impact on the translating of sexual content. And go to the research design and the method of the article. Using a descriptive qualitative study with an embedded case study strategies was used, and focusing on the translation of Sandra Brown's novel. Data were collected and analyzed using this approach, classifying instances into into euphemisms, orthopemism, and euphemisms. Translation techniques were examined and evaluated through a focus group discussion with linguistic experts. The article instruments was the translation quality evaluation framework by Naban, Nuraini, and Sumardiono. 2012 was used. It assessed translation on three aspects. The first is accuracy, acceptability, and readability. Each score on a scale of 1 to 3. The key finding of the first article is to identify 12 instances of euphemism, 8 of orthopemism, and 10 euphemism. The translation used techniques like euphemism, generalization, moderation, reduction, and deletion. The translation preferred several techniques like deleting the generalization even when more accurate translation were possible. The second article, the use of taboo words and euphemism among Malaysian students on social media. The comparative study, this article was written by Ahmad Zaid Saidil Mursalin and Wardatul Hayat. The background and the objective of the study examine how Malaysian students use taboo words and euphemism on their social media platform such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. It aims to identify and compare the usage of taboo word and euphemism across this platform. The literature review definition, characteristic, and social or pragmatic function of taboo words and euphemism are discussed along with their use in communication and social media. And review studies found that indicate that the college students extensively use social media and often employ such as an impolite language, including taboo words and euphemism. The research design and the method of the second article is a qualitative studying content analysis was conducted on social media, posted by 6 Malaysian students, 3 male and 3 female, from March to May 2022. Confined sampling was used and data were documented using a codebook and coding sheet. The instrument and the second article is a codebook, and coding sheets were employed to record and monitor the word used by students on the social media. We can see both article. The first article uses structured translation quality evaluation framework, while the second article employs a codebook and coding sheets for the content analysis. The first article highlights the translation technique and the moderate quality of euphemism. And then the second article finds the taboo word usage more prevalent than euphemism on social media, with significant variation among students. Both studies focus on a specific language use and employ qualitative research method. So the difference between the two articles that I already reviewed is lie on their objective data, search, evaluation frameworks, and their key finding. Like the first article is about literary translation, while the second article explore the social media language in the UCC.